Hey guys, Ryan here with Guy Charles, and we got a question just this last week. We get it a lot of like, hey, should I wait to do what you guys are telling your program until after I get my new roof? Or we just had some storms, again, a new roof. Should I wait to do insulation, radiant barrier ventilation until I get my roof? And so the short answer to that is just no. Have us out. Don't wait to get radiant barrier done. Don't wait to insulate your house properly, because comfort and energy savings is immediate, and that's been a message that we've always given. And so 9 times out of 10, a new roof will do nothing damage wise to insulation or to radiant barrier that we install. Sometimes if you're getting a whole new roof deck or it's a complete demo, there might be some scenarios there where you do want to be careful. But we give you a lifetime warranty on our radiant barrier, and we stand behind our insulation services for the life of the home. And so if you're worried about future work or damage, if you have another service done, there's not another company in the Metroplex like us as far as standing behind our work and helping you troubleshoot should you need service in the future, should you be getting a new roof in the next couple of months. And so the short answer is no, don't wait. Utilize our service, get your comfort levels increased and energy bill decreased as soon as you can. And then secondly, we want to help you and work with your roofer, with your HVAC contractor to put together the best plan, the best roof, the best program for your house. And so we do that a lot.
Yeah, a lot of times when if a customer has already got a contract to have a new roof put on their house, when we go in, we like to see if what is being put on the table for them for ventilation wise is going to work with our system. A lot of times it works. Sometimes we have to go in and make some corrections. We sometimes will actually design an actual ventilation package that we can sit down with the roofer and go, based off of what we're installing into the attic, this is going to benefit the house more efficiently. So yeah, check us out, give us a call, energyattic.com.